Guys, it's gonna be my hello guys, it's gonna be my 2-minute fix for this car drawn here. As you can see, it's sort of like a cool monster truck, but the wheels are a bit wobbly and everything's a bit loosey-goosey. So let's just see what we can do to fix it. So instead of doing long, straight, smooth lines with this, for the wheels, let's just flick it round. Don't have to be too neat. You can do some pencils to start off with, and then do an inside edge. And then for the body work, nice straight edges going down. We're going to do this like sort of a truck shape. Let's bring this up at an angle. Come back down. Let's do some wheel arches. So just come up at a diagonal edge, across the same parallel to these lines, back down, like so. Then we're going to do a bit of the front end. So let's just do a line going across there. One coming down, and then across and across and across and across and across, and then we can join these up. Join it up for the front windscreen. Notice there's like some sort of like a rectangle shape at the back, so let's make this into like a maybe into a gun. So I'm just going to do a square shape on the side, a rectangle there, and then a little cube at the end, and then join it up, and then line going across. Then we can add the window in. And then for the wheels, could just do a line going across here. Likewise with this side. And the suspension is going to come up inside, so we can colour this all in. And then we've got some lights at the front, the grille, and the bumper, and the door, and a few other details. Just like so, and some details on the tread. Okay, that's looking a lot better. Thanks guys, this has been my 2-minute fix. Thanks for watching.